how to add YouTube affiliate links to your YouTube videos. So the first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube page, and then you want to go to YouTube Studio. From here, you want to scroll down and you want to go to Settings. On Settings, you want to go to Channel. In Channel, you want to go to Feature Eligibility. And this is where it's really important. In order to add YouTube affiliate links, you want to make sure that each step is enabled. So in all the advanced features, which is the most important one, which will allow you to add external YouTube links or external links to your YouTube description. So, but in order to have the advanced features, you must have the intermediate features and the standard features. So if I open them all up, first of all, you want to make sure that you meet the requirements for the standard features. You then want to meet the requirements for the intermediate features, verify your number. And then you want to make sure that you meet the requirements for the advanced features. Once you've gone ahead and done all of that, you can then save it and close. And then now when you have your affiliate link and you upload your video, all you have to do is go to the description box and add your affiliate link. Make sure that it's the entire title. It can't be cut short. So it has to have the HTTP in it, the www. the name, .com, and the affiliate link code at the end of it. And there people will be able to click it once you upload your video. And that's how you add an affiliate link to your YouTube video.